ganun. Pero guys, una pala naman natin. Ang narating ni Aston Olivia, umabot na siya sa Laguna at magsistay siya dito ng 2 months. Ash, bali papantayin mo daw for 2 months. So meron kang tent dito na isa-set up ang pipa.
Ito-cover ko lang yung view lang kanina na.
Ay, babalik mo.
Yes, yun yung tent ko.
Okay. Sige, good luck Padala lang namin ng food dyan. Dubai Chewy? Or hello, parada? Or? Saan na yun? Okay, so, guys, this is just the beginning of today's exciting activities. Dahil mamaya lamang, magkikita kita pa tayo sa event center, yes? Samahan niyo kami doon? Sa event, it's a very special meet and greet. So guys, stay around and join nyo lang itong installation, okay? Take your photos and we will see you in all in all sa event center. Okay, happy ang lahat? Happy? Guys, do not forget to tag Ashton and to tag Viva One. At itag nyo na rin ako. At bakit? Ayun na guys. Maraming salamat. We'll see you in the event center. Thank you so much. Okay. We'll see you up there.
Thank you so much po.
Ashley, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Sa likod.
Feeling yun.